Today we're at the Gran Destino Tower, which is part of the Coronado Springs Resort at Walt Disney World. This resort is considered a moderate level category. This video reviews a standard view room which sleeps up to 4 guests. As you enter to the left, you have your wardrobe area, and immediately after that, your coffee and tea station. And just below here, a small refrigerator. There's a nice seating area here as well as plenty of drawers for storage. Plenty of surface space for all your belongings as well as charging stations, as well as an interactive TV with lots of great Disney information. A couple additional seating areas, which is great for the whole family, and then right next to that you have 2 queen beds. Both of these beds have storage underneath to allow you to easily tuck your luggage away. The nightstand in the middle offers additional storage as well as some more charging ports, including USB. And I have to say, I absolutely love the Disney beds. They are so comfortable, and it sometimes makes it hard to get up to rope drop. The large mirror also makes it easy to check your park outfits before you head out for the day. Lastly, let's check out this gorgeous bathroom that does have a large barn door, which allows for extra privacy. I love the dual sinks and the large lighted mirror. It comes with the standard bathroom amenities, including a hairdryer, which you can't see, but it's tucked away. And off to the right here, you do have a separate toilet area with a sliding door for extra privacy. And I absolutely love this artwork in here. Similar artwork can be found throughout the resort. And lastly, here's a great view of the stand-up shower with an amazing shower head, as well as the H2O bath products that are now Disney branded shampoo, conditioner, and body wash.